you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. All right, here's the first one coming out of the trailer. The Unveiling. Okay, so here's the box it comes with, and look at that beautiful kit of tools. That is incredible. Well done, Emmo. Got the mirrors here. Nice big lithium charger, bolts, lights, and a couple other pieces we'll figure out. Oh, there's the pegs. Here's more Unveiling. Yeah. So 9.8 amp charger. Here's the charging port. So that's heavy duty, which means we'll find out how long it takes to charge from dead, but I would anticipate maybe 2.5 to 3 hours. A little more. Darren just said he'd like to travel on the suspension, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Your ratio, or the sprocket ratio, rather.
Okay, got it out of the crate. Darren got the front wheel on. We'll do a step-by-step video. This is just the preview.
Not 100%.
All right, so this is it put together. This is your sneaky peeky sneak peek of the Caofen. More to come.